Hi friends and welcome back to LearnVern. In the last session, we learned how to create users and roles in Magento. In today's session, we are going to learn how to create categories and to modify them.
Before starting to create a new category, I want you to look at your Magento frontend. Your Magento frontend is completely empty. Now to create a new category, I want you to to create a new category, you must be logged into your Magento dashboard. So let's go to our Magento dashboard. To create a new category, you need to go in Catalog, Manage Categories. Before starting to create a new category, I want you to know that each Magento store should have at least one root category. Root categories for all the Magento stores should be different. If you are using multiple stores, we will get to that a little later. If you are having a look here, you can see that there is a single category already created whose name is default category. Now if you click on default category, you can see the default category name and ID of the category. Now currently the default category is the root category of the store. So if we are creating a new category, it should always be the subcategory of the root category. All the new categories created for this particular store will be subcategories of the default category. Let's rename it to root category to avoid any mistakes in future. Now you can see the category name has been changed. Now we will create a new subcategory. We will create a category called clothes. Make sure the isActive is selected to be yes and include in navigation menu should also be yes. Otherwise the category won't show up in the main menu. Let's check this. So I will keep this as no and click on save category. Now you can see that clothes has been added under the root category. Go to your home page and refresh the page. Nothing has happened because we have selected include in navigation to be no. Now go back to the admin dashboard and select yes. Refresh the front end. Now you can see clothes has been added. If you click on clothes, you will notice that it will show there are no products matching the selection. This is displayed because there are no products in this category yet. Before moving forward, we will add in some more categories. Go to the root category again, click on add subcategory, and I will create a new category called electronics. And electronics has been added. Now we will add in some subcategories. Clothes can have subcategories like t-shirts and pants. So we will create a subcategory for clothes. We'll create another subcategory called pants. Now go to the Magento frontend and refresh the page. Go to your Magento home page. Now as you can see that now we have two options. If you hover on clothes, you will see t-shirts and pants and electronics. So this is how you create. Now this is how you add categories. Now to modify categories, now we will learn how to modify categories. I want to modify electronics. If you want to delete this category, there is a button called delete category over here. If you want to change the name, you can directly change the name from here. All the products assigned to this category will be displayed in this grid, and we will see what custom design and display settings a little bit later in the coming sections. If I want to move pants, it is simple. Just drag the category into another category. For example, I want to create t-shirt as a main category and it should not be a child category of clothes. So what I do, I just drag t-shirts and keep into root category. So you will notice that t-shirt is now a root category. Now just refresh the page and you can see t-shirt is here. Now I want to add it again as a subcategory of clothes. So just drag it and move it under clothes, and t-shirts is again back. Now I want to rearrange the categories. I want the t-shirt should be visible. T-shirt should be listed the first one and pants should be listed after that. So just drag and drop. Refresh the page and you are done.
In the next session, we are going to learn about attributes as well as attribute sets in Magento. We are also going to learn how to create them.